everyone, this is Sarah with Powertrain Products. I am back to show you another one of our remanufactured long blocks. This one is going to be a Ford 4.6 liter engine. It's going to come in a lot of your Ford SUV and truck applications. So similar to most of our other long blocks, this does come with the block, the cylinder heads, your timing components, your gaskets, and your oil pump. This one does come a little bit more complete. It has the oil pan installed as well as the front cover. So many of you may be aware of a lot of the manufacturing defects that these engines had coming straight out of Ford. We have done a lot of work on them to correct those issues. Some of the upgrades that we have made to this engine are going to include the multi-layer steel head gasket. That is going to help the engine sustain those high heat temperatures that they are prone to. We use an all-new upgraded tensioner and guides to prevent that timing chain slap and failure. We also have a completely new valve train. There's new valves, locks, guides, seats, rockers, lifters. Everything is brand new. Now we also install hyper-eutectic graphite coated pistons. That is going to help with get rid of that piston slap and bore wear problem that they had. Now this is sim tested for operability before shipping, and it does come backed with our powertrain promise. If you have any questions, give us a call. The number is 888-842-0023, or you can visit us at powertrainproducts.net. Don't forget to check out our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you.